Hello, and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So yeah, Polkadot so far, we could not confirm a low in place in this yellow support area, and it still is, well, we certainly now we can't confirm a low in place. I mean, it has come down quite a bit lower. It still sort of adheres to this trend line more or less. However, it needs to start showing some impulsive action to the upside, or this will break below $4.50. That is still the relevant bullish support level that I'm watching. You can never rule out that it comes down a little lower than that. But this is the relevant bullish support. I want to avoid a sustained break below $4.50. If we get it, then this 1-2 setup will decrease in likelihood. Remember what we've been saying all along. The move up is only a diagonal, not an impulse, so we cannot trust it. So we need to see if support is holding. Therefore, we've been watching for lows in this area. So far, we couldn't confirm it, okay? But the bulls can show up in here at any point. We had an A wave, a B wave as a triangle, then expected lower prices. They are happening. But it seems to be an extension of this correction. What is important to highlight is the following. Bitcoin is still expected to go lower. Now, if Bitcoin takes some time, then DOT might recover a little bit. If Bitcoin comes down quite quickly, it will, of course, invalidate most likely this bullish scenario. Don't forget that we still have a bearish case on the chart, which, however, will not really be confirmed below until we get a break below $4.50. So quite a bit of a sell-off today. That is normal when we deal with altcoins. Yeah? And when Bitcoin has a cuff, then these often get a proper cold, fever, a flu. And you just need to be aware of that when you deal with altcoins. Yeah, but so far nothing happened. I mean, we're still in the support area. It can go, theoretically, it can go all the way down to $4.19 without invalidating this upside scenario. It's just that the 450 level is really the level. Yeah, if it goes below that, things are not really looking good. But we can double check with a few Fibonacci extension targets. I mean, what do we have? If we talk about Fib extensions, the thing is the wave A, which was the first wave of this correction in a wave 2, and the C wave, which we can measure as well, they often have a relationship, a Fibonacci relationship. And we can see that price reacted for the first time to the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% Fibonacci extension, but failed to rally in an impulse and broke down again today. So the next target, and that would really be for me the maximum I would want to see, is the 1.618 extension. And that is pretty much, okay, it's 446, but pretty much an overlap with the $4.50 level. Remember that a break below the $4.50 level is okay as long as it recovers very quickly. A sustained break below $4.50, for example, going below it, hovering there, going even lower, or trying to recover and failing, that would all be an indication that we are going to break through to the downside. If we break through to the downside, however, the next low could really be the next one, the last one. Yeah, be aware. If we make another low, yeah, with a lot of these altcoins, then that could really be the last bear market low of this bear market. The last bear market low of the bear. Yeah, you know what I mean. I mean, because we're coming down very low, and technically the next low could be the last one. If it needs one more, then that could be the last one. But look, I mean, on the 4-hour, we're now massively oversold. So it's all coming together. It's massively oversold on the 4-hour. Last time we were that much oversold on the 4-hour. We had a significant bounce here, this rally. So it's going to get interesting. The daily still has a bit more space to drop on the daily time frame, but not much more. But it also still has a little bit of space in the support area. So it's going to be very, very interesting now to observe this chart. So far, no change to the analysis, just the microstructure shifted a bit because it made another low. That's normal, but it hasn't broken below any critical Fib level and sort of is hovering above the golden ratio at $4.70. Sorry, $4.74 at the moment. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.